Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. No one said you had to have an unsightly toilet brush in your bathroom. BGL has made my new favorite one.
Having a toilet brush is the part of the bathroom that we don't like to talk about, but is so important. This one from BGL comes with everything that you need from two different brush heads to this great freestanding aluminum holder. The cover is not only looking great, but also helps protect your hand from splashes while you're cleaning. I love that this just looks like a unassuming little box in my bathroom and not one of those gross looking toilet brush holders where everyone can look down inside and see the brush. I think this complements my bathroom perfectly because of its sleek design, and it doesn't just look good, it also works really, really well. I am a house cleaner by trade, so I am very familiar with many types of toilet brushes, and this one has taken it 5 stars in my book. I am really, really pleased with this toilet brush, and I'm glad to have it in my bathroom.
So say goodbye to unsightly toilet brushes and get this one from BGL. It will look fantastic in any bathroom and you'll be glad you have it. And that's my point of view.